Okay, this is what it looks like. I just have to dip it for like 1 second. And then take it out. And wait 1 minute to see the results. So I would say this is 2.5 dots that turned color. And then here you can select. So I'm just gonna go with 3. It probably would have been smarter to just install the water thing and then fill it. Not bad. It says I'll need freshly roasted coffee beans, fresh cold milk, and a clean damp cloth. I don't really have a cloth, but I do have paper towel. Okay, we've got the freshly roasted coffee beans in there. I guess it wants me to start with a latte, so I guess that's good. Preheat my cup. Place your cup under the hot water spout in the middle of the dip tray. Can I use any cup? Is this the right part? Press hot water to fill and preheat your cup. Why the fuck do I have to preheat my cup? Why does it fill up like that? Place the portafilter into the grind collar. Jeez. I have to use this and shove it in here, I think. Wipe the basket dry with a clean cloth before each coffee. Whatever. Hopefully. Or push and release the portafilter into the... I need one of those, you know those things that look like head massagers? I need one of those. So I'm gonna put my... Oh, I need a smaller cup. Okay, I'm gonna use this latte thing. Even though I didn't preheat this one, I think it'll be fine. Try to make some latte art. I've never... Do I start here or do I start here? Beautiful. Ooh, I filled it real high.